Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor or the MAP sensor on Mercedes C220 CDI W203 model. First I'll show you the wiring diagram in the service manual for the MAP sensor. That in the photo is what the MAP sensor looks like, and I'll show you the wiring diagram. That's the wiring diagram, and that in blue is the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor. It has three wires, they're white and red, brown and white, and white and green. They're all connected to the engine control module. Next I'll show you the location of the MAP sensor on the car. The MAP sensor is located on the top of the engine, next to the oil filter housing, and next to the intake manifold, and that's the MAP sensor right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.